Let's go change a mower blade. Alright. Come on. You find something to prop it up. Now the blades, the nice thing is, it comes with two blades, spare blades already. A red one and a black one. So this one, from the one down the bottom here, you can see that it's actually a red one. So we're going to go ahead and replace it and put that right there. There's a bolt on the back side. Now the unit does come with a wrench. 17 millimeter, fits it quite snugly. Same as the front, as you see right there. So 17 millimeter. Again, remember these are European pieces of equipment. Make sure your work area is clean. Go ahead and put your blade on. Make sure you put it on the right way because you want the wing to go in. Okay, if you put it on the outside, you're going to have problems. So make sure that wing tilts down. Get your bolt started again. Make sure you get your nut started. And then start tightening her down. Make sure you have some play in there. And you're done. And that's how you change a blade. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Come on back in the future for some more BCS episodes. Don't forget to like, share, and hit that red button. And as always, have a great day.